time, we will talk about Katakana and the first grammar lesson that, of course, we will be learning tonight. So let me share with you the screen. I mean, my presentation. Okay, so let's start with the hiragana. Okay, so we have here hiragana, katakana, and Japanese words, just to give you opportunities now to learn new words. It's very important, although these words are found also in the module. So I have given you already modules 5 and 6 now to study, and maybe this will be our last meeting, of course, for the month of March, but we will still meet hopefully after the Holy Week, no? Kasi I would be very busy next week, no? Because we will be inaugurating the new building of STO Cabancalan City. So we will not be able to meet next week, but after the Holy Week, hopefully, we can meet for the midterm examination, hopefully. Okay. So our objectives for this particular lesson would be to say simple greetings in Japanese, write hiragana and katakana, count numbers from 1 to 10, 1 to 10,000, and name the days of the week and the months of the year. So these are important vocabulary words that we need to learn. Okay. So let's start with simple greetings. So we have here some simple greetings that we need to know. So we have Ohayo gozaimasu, Ohayo gozaimasu. So basically this is a greeting that we use from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, so 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. we say Ohayo gozaimasu. So that's the basic use of this expression. So 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Now, second, we have konnichiwa. So konnichiwa is usually used when we are greeting someone from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. No? Kapag may ilaw, konnichiwa. No? Kasi pag medyo madilim na, hindi na magandang mag-konnichiwa. No? Basically, it's good afternoon, but we can also use konnichiwa to mean hello. Minasan konnichiwa. So konnichiwa can mean also hello, although technically we use it as an afternoon greeting. No? Kung ohayo gozaimasu ay good morning, then konnichiwa is good afternoon. This is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. No, actually, very technical yung mga Hapon. No? Pagdating ng 10 a.m. onwards, that would be konnichiwa. Okay? We also have konbawa. So konbawa, it's 6 p.m. onwards. No? Pag gabi na, madilim na, it's konbawa. No? Minasang konbawa. So sa gabi, pag nagchat-chat tayo, so pwedeng konbawa. Sa umaga, it's ohayo gozaimasu. Pag nasa late morning na going afternoon, so it's konnichiwa, no? And then in the evening we say konbawa. Okay, konbawa means good evening. And then we also have the oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai. So we say this pag bago matulog, no? It's good night. So kapag nagchat-chat kayo ng kaklase mo or ng friends mo, tapos gusto mo nang matulog, no? So you can say oyasumi nasai, no, to each other. So oyasumi nasai. Okay. And then so these are the 4 expressions that we need to practice. So I want you to repeat after me. I'll read it aloud, and then probably without opening your microphone, you can say after me. Okay. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa, konnichiwa, konbawa, konbawa, oyasumi nasai, oyasumi nasai. Okay. May I request volunteers? Okay, maybe Generous Gonzalez to please read the words from the beginning. Sige, Generous, can you please, Generous, can you please open your microphone?
Yes, sir.
Sige, thank you. Please read the words that I flash on the screen. Sige, go ahead.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa.
Again, konbawa. Konbawa.
Konbawa. Oyasumi nasai.
Okay, very good. Oyasumi nasai.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Generous. That's very good. May I have James Keith? Can you please open your microphone? Please read the words that I flash on the screen. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. Ohayo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Konbawa. Oyasumi nasai.
Okay, excellent. Good job. Thank you so much, James. May I request one more volunteer, maybe from, okay, can I have Angelica? Please open your microphone, please. Angelica,
Yes,
okay, go ahead, please. Please read the words that I flash on the screen.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. Konbawa.
Konbawa.
Konbawa. Oyasumi nasai.
Okay, very good. Okay, so thank you so much. Please memorize these words and their meaning. So again, Ohayo gozaimasu means good morning. Konnichiwa means hi or maaari siyang good afternoon, no? Kasi pag 10 o'clock, no, pwede namang konnichiwa, no? 10 o'clock onwards, hanggang 6 yan. And then konbawa means good evening, okay? Which means that we use this when it's dark already outside. And then oyasumi nasai means good night. Now we have here hiragana and katakana. Let me present first hiragana and then let's compare hiragana from katakana. So last time we talked about hiragana and many of you, I hope 100% of you have submitted already your performance task on reading hiragana. And again, Japanese people read from top to bottom and then from right to left, like a, I, u, e, o. Ka, ki, ku, keko. Sa, shi, su, seso. Ta, chi, tsu, teho. Na, ni, nu, neno. Ha, hi, fu, heho. Ma, mi, mu, mehmo. Ya, yu, yo. Ra, ri, ru, rehro. Wa, o, and n. Okay, so may I request volunteers to please read the kanas here. Let's have, sige, try natin si LC. LC is culture. Can you please open your microphone, LC? Nandyan ba si LC? If not LC, can we have Chenet Tarino? Sige, Chenet. You have opened your camera already, so that's perfect for a hiragana practice. So let's start with A. Okay, Chenet.
Wait, thank you, sir. Wait lang, sir.
Okay. Sige, sige. Okay, who can read? Any volunteer? You may raise your hand so I can easily see you.
Bisyo ako na.
Sige, anyone? Okay, walang nag-volunteer.
Bisyo ako, sir.
It's okay. It's okay, no problem. Sige. Rhea. Sige, Rhea Velasco. Can you please do the honor of reading the kanas here from A? Okay, begin. Okay, sino nakakaano dito? May I request anyone? It's just a quick review of what we have learned last time. Sige po. Okay, any volunteers? Sige, James, go ahead, please.
Saan, sir?
Yeah, from A. A-I.
A, I, U, E, O.
Okay.
Ka, ki, ku, he, ko.
Okay.
Sa, shi, su, se, so.
Okay.
Ta, chi, tu, te, to.
Okay.
Na, ni, nu, ne, no.
Okay.
Ha, hi, hu, he, ho.
Correct. Next.
Ma, mi, mu, me, mo.
Okay.
Ya, yu, yo.
Mhm.
Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Wa, o, n.
Okay. This one here, the ra part, we do not really sound out the ra. Okay, it's like ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Okay, so it's like di masyadong na-emphasize no yung R sound dito, no? So because in Japanese we don't say naman na ari na ano na arimas, no? Parang ano lang naman siya, no? Yung R hindi ganoon ka distinct yung sound na ra. But nevertheless, thank you so much, James, for volunteering. Now let's move on to the next
Welcome,
part.
sir.
Okay. So our next slide here is this. Okay. This is now the katakana. Okay. And may I remind everyone that the pronunciation for katakana in Hiragana are actually the same, except that the characters, as you can see, iba yung pagkasulat ng characters. And another tip that I want to emphasize to everyone is that katakana is used only with foreign words. No, ibig sabihin, pag ang origin ng salitang yon ay foreign para sa mga Hapon, sinispell nila ng katakana. So for example, my name is Junri, so I'm a foreigner in Japan. So my name should be spelled in katakana. The same with your name, James, for example. No? Yung pangalan mo ay foreign, no, for the Japanese, so katakana yung gagamitin natin. Ano pa yung mga salitang ginamit nila sa Japanese now that ang origin ay foreign? No? Ang daming words. No? For example, ramen. Ramen, although ramen is distinctly Japanese, pero they spell it in katakana. Because originally ramen naman talaga, the idea, the dish came from China. No? So di ba sa China yung noodles? So gina-spell nilang ramen. Although basically, as of this time, ramen is distinctly Japanese naman na dish, no? Pero the spelling is usually in katakana. The word is usually spelled in katakana. Ano pa yung mga words na borrowed from other languages, no? Gaya ng salitang mafura, no? Mafura or muffler, no? Yung shawl na nilalagay natin sa liig, no? Muffler. So they spell it also in this writing, no? Katakana. Yung hiragana, that's purely for words that are originally Japanese. No? Pag original na Japanese ang word, it is spelled in either kanji or hiragana. Kapag foreign ang origin ng word, it is spelled in katakana. So actually, katakana is the simpler version of hiragana. No? Siguro, pag tinignan natin, parang hiragana din naman siya. No? Ito yung hiragana medyo difficult na kung titingnan natin mahirap siyang isulat. The simpler version nun ay katakana. Still, the pronunciation is the same. So we have the, okay, let me just put some dito para at least may ano kayo. So a, i, u, e, o. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Wa, o, and n. Last time, we talked about dakuten and handakuten, right? So kapag dakuten po, ang meron siyang ten, nagiging sounded na po or voiced na po yung word or kana. For example, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, voiceless yun. Pag nilagyan natin ng ten, ito yung ten o yung dakuten, nagiging ga, ito gana. No? Pag lagyan natin ng ten na ganito, no? Nagiging ga na siya. So ga, gi, na, gu, ge, go. Parang ganun siya. The same with sa. Na sa, she, su, se. So nagiging za pag nilagyan natin ng tenten. And then this one is G, zu, ze, zo. Okay, naging ganun siya. Na voiced. Same with da. I mean ta. So pag nilagyan natin ng tenten, nagiging da, G, zu, de, do. No, ganun siya. And then same with the ha here. No? Pag nilagyan natin siya ng tenten, nagiging ba, bi, bu, de, bo. Okay? Pag nilagyan natin ng handakuten, itong parang maliit na circle na nakikita natin, iba na naman yung tunog. No? Nagiging pa, pag nilagyan natin ng tenten ng handakuten dito, that becomes pa. Okay? Dapat hindi vanishing yung nilalagay kong ano. Wait a moment. Ito pala yung draw. Okay? So,
Sir,
pa,
excuse me, sir.
yes.
May ara gid gusto mag-in, sir. Hindi
Okay.
sila kasulod.
Sige. Wait a moment. Meron ba? Sige, check ko.
Thank you, sir.
Ito pala. Dami nila. But thank you for... wait a moment. Sige po. Wait lang. I need to...
Sir,
Sige.
excuse.
Yeah, go ahead. Sige.
Ang link dali sa attendance, sir, hindi naman makita, sir.
Okay. Sige. For latecomers, ito. Sige. Let me just share it again. Sige. Okay, so here is the
Thank you, sir.
link. Sige. Thank you for reminding me. Sige. Let's go back to the... Okay. So, ayan. So, let's go back to the dakuten. No? Pag, ito di ba voiceless yung kaki, ku, keko. No? Pag nilagyan natin ng dakuten, lalaki. Palitan natin ng maliit. Ito lang. So, pag nilagyan natin ng ganito, tenten, so nagiging voice na siya. So, that's ka, hi, gi, gu, dito siya dapat. Ge, go. No, ito yung sound. Same goes with the sa. No? For the sa, nagiging za. No? Pero ito, nagiging G. Hindi siya G nga, no? Kasi voiced siya. And then this one is zu. This one is se. And then so. No? So the same goes with ta, chi, tu, teto. So naging voice din siya. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. In that case, hirap pa lang i-add ito moment. Pag merong ganito, sige. Okay, so however, if we put handakuten, no, yung circle na symbol, ibang tunog na naman yung naibibigay, no? For example, ito sa ha, no? For example, sa ha, pag nilagyan natin ng handakuten, so nagiging iba yung tunog niya. So the sound would be so yung tunog niya ganito. Pag nilagyan natin ng maliit na bilog dito, so naging pa. No, papi, pu, pe, po. So nalalagay natin yan sa left side. So for example, you say papa. No? So papa, ganito lang yung spelling ng papa. No? Pa. Yan. So this is papa. Because papa is a foreign word. It's a foreign word, not originally Japanese, so nagiging ganun siya i-spell natin yung papa. Mama, for example, if you spell mama here is just this one, ma. Ayan, mama. Okay, so again, mama and papa are Japanese, are foreign words, so we spell them in katakana. Okay? So ano pa yung word? For example, banana. So banana, so ba, yung ba, ba, and then na, no? Kasi banana. So dalawang ano lang na, ganyan lang siya. So this is banana. Now again, banana is also used in Japanese language. Na ginagamit nila yung salitang banana. So kaya ano yan, katakana. Okay? So ito yung mga katakana, no? Papa, mama, and then banana. Okay? So gagawa ako ng word. I will write the word here. Tapos ang gagawin na natin ay i-identify ninyo kung yung salita ay anong salita yun. Okay? So try natin. No? Type ko dito yung word sa ano and then you try to make a guess. Okay. Franco, you're raising your hand. Sige.
Sir. May mga mic na naka-on ko, sir.
Okay. Wait a moment. Sige. Okay. Sige, ang daming mic na naka-open actually, no? I have to close it. Okay, mahina kasi yung signal natin. So, okay, ayan. So, I think it's okay na. Sige. So, I will type here the word here on the side na lang, no? And then try to guess what that word is. Okay, wait a moment. So, let me just try natin. Sige. Okay, so siguro. Okay. Okay. Anong salita to? This one. Anong salita siya? Can you make a guess? Wait lang. Hindi maganda masyado yung pagkaka... Ayan. Pangit lang siya. Pero can you guess this word? Ayan. Anong salita yan? This is ramen.
Ramen, sir.
Ayan, ramen. Itong N na to, usually ginagamit siya for the, pangdagdag ng tunog, no? Especially mga words like men, no? Ringo. No? Last time we talked about hiragana. So, yan, lumalabas yun siya. Ito yung ginagamit natin. Okay, so anyhow, let's proceed to the next part. Okay, so may I request na lang those who are joining us on the platform to please be mindful of your mic, no? Para hindi na ako mag-mute ng microphone from time to time. Please do mute your microphone. Okay, let's proceed to the next. Wait lang. I just have to delete here. Okay. Now, let's improve our vocabulary with the following words. So, we're talking about ashi. Ashi. So when you say ashi, pinag-uusapan natin dito ay yung leg, no? Ashi. Leg, no? Ashi. We say ashi means leg. We have kai. Kai. Kai means shell. You can find this actually in your module. Eki. Eki is station. Basically train station. Yung eki, train station. And then we have shio. Shio means salt. Okay. And then we have ushi. Ushi means cow. Kasa means umbrella. This one is ike, opposite of eki. Eki kanina, pag sinabing eki station, no? Train station. Ike naman ay pond. Pond. Okay? And here, pag sinabing here, that's koko. Kokoa. Okay, kokoa iris. So this is my house, for example. Here is my house. And then we have soko, no, sa doon, no? Malayo sa nagsasalita, soko, soko. There. This one is suika, suika, watermelon. We have this one is ase. Ase means sweat. Okay. That's it. So, may I request someone to please read from here, maybe from yung Japanese word lang, no? Let's try from Ashi. Okay, sige. May I try Hanilin? Sige, Hanilin, please read.
Tuksoan ako.
Sige, Hanilin.
Ay, tabo.
Ashi. Ayan, let's start from Ashi. Go ahead.
Ashi. Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead. I can hear you. Sige, go
Oh,
ahead.
sorry. Kai.
Okay, next.
Eki.
Correct.
Shiu.
Shio. Shio.
Shio.
Shio. Shio.
Shio.
Shio. Shio.
Shio.
Yo. Kasi pag sisulat natin itong sa dulo, magiging ano na siya na shio. Shio. Yo. Yan kasi
Shio.
pag shio.
Iyo.
Pag sinusulat kasi siya sa ano, sa hiragana, kaya nga nagiging shio siya pag sinasalita siya. Kasi yung dulo nito nagiging yo. Okay, wait a moment. Try nating i-draw. So pag ano siya, parang ganito yung dulo niya, oh. Ayan, yo. Ito yo. Actually, this is yo. Kaya pag sinasabi na shio, no, shio. Ayan, shio. Can you say shio?
Shio.
Ayan. Thank you. Okay, let's continue. Ushi. Sige, go ahead.
Ushi.
Thank you.
Kasa.
Okay.
Ike.
Correct. Very good.
Koko.
Ayan, good.
Soko.
Okay.
Suika.
Suika. Suika.
Suwika.
Suika.
Suwika.
Ayan, very good. Okay, so good. So, thank you so much. Yung suwika, ba ilang kana ba siya? Suwika. Ilang
3.
kana? 3. Ayan. Suika. Okay, suika. So, 3 kana siya. Ilang mora siya? Suika.
2.
2.
Actually, 3 din siya. 3.
At
Actually, it's so hard for us to distinguish mora and kana when we are writing it in Romaji kasi naka-Romaji ito ngayon. No? Pero pag nakikita natin siya sa, pag isinulat siya sa Katakana or Hiragana, it would be easier for us to differentiate kasi pag maliit yung, yung character, tinabi siya sa malaking character, isang sound lang po siya. No? Kaya pag natin, ito isang sound lang to. So, ibig sabihin isang mora lang siya. However, in this case, kasi nakasulat siya in Romaji, it's hard for us. No? Pero pag na-memorize na natin yung pagsusulat no, ng Hiragana and Katakana, it would be easier for us to sound out the word and also to distinguish mora from kana because we have that already, the background knowledge. No? Sige. Let's proceed to next part. Okay? So for, may isa ka pala, ase. No? Ase. Yung ase ba, ilang kana siya?
2.
Okay, 2. Tama, no? A at saka se. No, dalawang kana siya. Ilang mora siya?
2.
Okay, 2 din siya, no? A and then se. Okay, so in this case, magkapareho yung number of mora and kana. You? Let's proceed now to counting numbers. May nagmo-music at. Okay, wait a moment. Try nating i-mute muna. Okay, so let's proceed to ayan, no? Puntahan natin yung counting numbers. Now let's start with cardinal. No? Pag sinasabi natin cardinal, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? Ito yung pagbibilang natin in cardinal. So iba-iba yung pagbibilang. So this time, aralin muna natin yung 1 to 10. No? So makinig tayong mabuti. I'll read the number and listen carefully. Ichi. So again, when we are counting numbers in Japanese, we do this. No? Ichi, ni, sang, yong, or shi, go, roku, nana, or shichi, hachi, ku, or kyu, and ju. Okay? So pag ganito yung pagbibilang natin, no? I mean, in the Philippines, iba kasi, no? Kasi we do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? Ganun yun sa atin. Sa kanila, when they count using their fingers, they do this. No? Ichi, ni, sang, yong, or shi, and then go. Roku, nana, or shichi, hachi, ku, or kyu, and then ju. Okay, so try to memorize that. What about pag dumagdag na tayo ng 11, no? Isa sa 11? Maybe you are familiar with MTB, MLE. No? Pag nagbibilang tayo in MTB, in mother tongue, no? Kung naririnig niyo yung mga brothers and sisters ninyo, sinasabi nila, napulog isa, napulog duha. Actually, that is almost the same with Japanese, no? Because they say ju ichi. So that means 10 plus 1. Ju ichi means 11. Ju ni, ju sang, ju yong, ju go, ju roku, ju nana, ju hachi, ju kyu, ju ni. Again, please take note, kapag dalawa po ang inulit po natin yung letters, ibig sabihin, prolong po yung sound. No? Ganun, ju ichi, ju ni, ju sang, ju yong. Okay? So the same with ju kyu. Ayan. Ha? So yan ang sinabi ko kanina, in counting Japanese numbers, we are counting as if we're doing this in MPB in our language. No? Napulog isa. Napulog duha. So ju ichi, ju ni, ju sang, ju ni. So anong ibig sabihin noon? Duha
Excuse me, sir.
duha kanapulo. Yes?
Same lang ning 12 and 20, sir. Juni.
Ay, it's not. Ni-ju, sorry. It's a mistake. Ju, ni is 12. Ni-ju is Japanese. No? Duha kanapulo. No? Wait a moment. Let me just correct this one. Thank you for pointing that out. Wait muna. Let me just correct it. Okay, so it's Niju. Okay, try nating i-share ulit. So, okay. So, again, ju ichi, again sinabi kanina, napulog isa na ju ichi, napulog duha, ju ni, napulog tatlo. Ju ichi, that's napulog tatlo. In Japanese, we actually do the same, similar thing. Ang 20, that's niju. No? Meaning to say, duha kanapulo. No? Duha kanapulo, niju. So alam na natin pag 21, duha kanapulog isa. 21 if we are going to go up pa. No? But this one, it's niju. Pag nagbilang natin ng 21, so that's niju ichi. Paulit-ulit lang siya no, hanggang 100. Niju ni, ni Ju Sang, ni Ju Yong, no, yung 24, no, and so on and so forth. May I ask volunteer to read the numbers here from Ichi to Ju? Ichi kara Ju made. Sige. There are 2 hands raising. Sige, may I ask, sige, Franco, go ahead. Please open your mic.
Sir, may gusto magsulat dito, sir.
Go ahead.
Ano ko, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Chi. Ni. San. Yon or she. Go. Roku. Nana. Or she. Chi.
Chichi.
Chichi. Hachi. Ku. Q. Ju.
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 Okay, thank you, Franco. Actually, yung sang po, medyo hindi po siya yung sa atin kasi pag binasa natin ito sun, no, that's sun. Pero sa Japanese, parang in between ng N at NG. So ibig sabihin, lagyan natin ng konting NG. Magtutunog siyang sang, na parang sang na sang, pero hindi na sang. Parang sang lang, yung konting NG na sound sa huli. Same with yong, no? Yung yong po, hindi po siya yun, no? But yong. Sa Japanese kasi, yung parang sound, kapag dinugtong natin yan sa sa isa pang syllable, nagiging NG ang datingan ng sound niya, no? Sa kaya sang at saka yong. So ichi, ni, sang, yong or shi, go, roku, nana, shichi, hachi, ku, kyu, ju. Okay? So sige, may I ask one more volunteer to read the numbers? Sige. Leia. Sige, Leia, go ahead. Please open your mic.
Okay, sir. Ichi, ni,
Okay.
sang, yong, or shi, go, roku,
Roku.
roko, ku,
Mm.
nana, or shichi, hachi, ku, or kyu, ju.
Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, let's proceed to the higher numbers now. Juichi, Juni, Jusang, Juyong, Jugo, Juroku, Junana, Juhachi, Jukyu, Niju. Okay? May I request volunteers? Sige, try natin. Sino pa yung nagtataas ng kamay? Sige, Jerlyn.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Hello. Sige, go ahead.
Juichi. Ano?
Juni. Okay. Please don't be confused with words having repeated letters. No, ibig sabihin po pag inuulit yung letter, ibig sabihin you have to prolong the sound. Okay, go ahead.
Juichi.
You say juichi. Huwag po natin siyang juichi. Sige.
Juichi. Juni. Jusan. Juyong.
Jusang.
Sang. Juyong. Jugo. Joroko.
Juroku.
Joraku.
Juroku.
Juraku. Junana. Joachi. Jokyu. Niju.
Ayan. Jukyu. Niju.
Jukyu. Niju.
Okay. Can you guess the next numbers from 21 to 30? Who can give me the numbers? Who can recite 21 to 30? May I ask volunteers? Who wants to try 21 to 30? Sige nga. Who wants to try? Sige, may nagtaas ba ng kamay? Sige, try natin si like. Sige, sino nagtaas? Sige, open your mic na lang. Sige.
Try ko, sir.
Sige, sige. Is this Leia? Sino yung
Vinci.
sige, sige. Go ahead. Sige, sige.
Ako, sir?
Yeah, please open your camera. If you can open your camera para your face, you will be highlighted if possible. Sige, go ahead. From 21.
Okay,
yeah, go ahead. Sige.
Nijuichi.
Nijuichi. Sige, Nijuichi. Go ahead.
Nijuichi. Nijuni. Nijusang. Nijuyong. Nijugo. Nijuroku. Nijunana. Nijuhachi. Nijukyu. Niniju.
Ano yung 30? Sangju.
Sangju.
Oh, yan. Sangju. No? Ibig sabihin, tatlong sampo. No? Tatlong
sir.
sampo. So, Sangju. Okay, very good. No? Nice try. And then we have 40. 31 to 40. Sinong gusto mag-try? Without the guide here. 31 to 40. Ayan, try natin. 31 to 40. Any volunteer? Baka gusto niyo mag...
Sir.
Sige, sige. Go ahead, please. Sangju. Mula sa Sangju tayo. Go ahead. Sige. Sino nagtataas ng kamay dito? Who wants to try 31 to 40? Ayan. Jerlene, Jelmar. Legit pa ba itong inyong hand raise? Or baka
Yes,
kanina
sir.
pa to? Sige,
Yes, sir.
sige, sige, sige.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. May I ask Jelmar? Sige, Jelmar, please open your mic. Go ahead.
Okay na, sir. Open
Yeah,
na.
yeah. Yes, yes. I can see you. Sige, go ahead.
Sanju Ichi. Sanju. Sanju Sang. Sanju Yong. Sanju Go. Sanju Roku. Sanju Nada. Sanju Hachi. Sanju Q. Sanju Ju. Sanju.
Ano ba yung ano? 4.
Hindi ko.
Yongju.
4 is Yongju. Ayan, Yongju. Ayan, Yongju. Okay, I think you're doing well, no? Kasi eventually, no, na ano natin yung we get the hang of the counting of numbers. Hanggang 100 yon. So please memorize. Ang pinaka-basic natin na i-memorize ay yung ichi ni Sangyong or shi, and then go, roku, nana, or shichi, hachi, ku, or q, and then ju. Now let's memorize these so that we would be able to easily count numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, so dito yung mga drawings, not the drawings, but the kanji, no, equivalent of the numbers. No, kapag nagsusulat tayo ng kanji, pag ichi, isang line lang siya, ni, sang, no, you can memorize these. No? These are basic kanjis that we need also to learn. Itong nasa ikalawang column, ito yung kanji. No? So pag 100 na, that is hyaku. No? Kaya nga sa Japan, meron silang tinatawag na hyakuen shop. Yung hyakuen shop, ibig sabihin nun 100 yen shop. Okay? Pag 1,000 na, that is sen. No? Pag sinabi kong sen-en, magkano yun? That's 1,000 yen. No? Pag 10,000, that is mang. No? Sa Japanese, ang pinakamalaking paper bill ay ichimang. Anong ibig sabihin ng ichimang? Ichimang means 10,000 yen. No? Ichimang yen. Na pag sinabi kong ichimang yen, that is 10,000 yen. Okay? And then we have also 100 yen, 100,000 yen. So that's jumang. Okay? Pag 1 million na, that is hyakumang. Okay? Pag 10 million, we have senman. And then 100 million, ichi-oku. Okay? Pag 1 billion, that's ju-oku. And then 1 trillion, we have icho. Ayan. So these are the basic things that we need to learn in counting numbers. Now, I would be very happy siguro kung kaya nating isulat ang ating pangalan in katakana with your with your birthday in kanji. No? Subukan natin yan. But I will just post your next output, no? Kasi 2 linggo na we will not be seeing each other. Now, let's move on to the days of the week. Ito yung pinaka-importante din na dapat nating malaman. So dito, meron tayong days of the week in English, and then we have the kanji on the 2nd column. On the 3rd column, we have the hiragana. And on the 3rd column, we have the romanji. Or romaji, rather. Gaya na sinabi ko last time, kapag ang O, no, in romaji, nilagyan natin ng U, ibig sabihin nito, you prolong the sound of that number, of that syllable, of that vowel, no? Pag U kasi, di ba, ju, kaya nag-prolong siya. Pero ito naman, ang O naman yung ipoprolong natin, kaya O na maging ganun siya. So, halimbawa, for example, you're asking, yung tanong mo is, what day? What day? So, masabihin natin, nan-yobi. Nan-yobi. So, that's, ibig sabihin ng what day. No? So, Monday, getsuyobi. Tuesday, kayobi. Wednesday, suiyobi. Thursday, mokuyobi. Friday, kinyobi. Saturday, doyobi. Sunday, nichiyobi. Okay? So again, pag sinabing nan-yobi, that's what day. No, what day? Nan-yobi. Ang nan kasi is what. So pag sinabi kong kyo wa nan-yobi desu ka? Anong sagot nun? Kyo wa nan-yobi desu ka? Ano yung sagot? Jerlyn, you're raising your hand. Go ahead. Kyo wa nan-yobi desu ka?
Sir.
Agina pa. Sige. Kyo wa nan-yobi desu ka?
Mokoyobi.
Correct. Kyo wa mokoyobi desu. So, kyo, pag sinabing kyo is today, no? Sinabi ko, kyo wa, so today. Kyo wa nan-yobi desu ka? So, what day is today? Kyo wa nan-yobi desu ka? Sagot, mokoyobi desu. So, pag sumagot kayo, dapat may des sa dulo because that is polite answer, no? Although it is correct to say mokoyobi, okay naman din siya. Pero if you're talking to someone older than you, especially your teacher or an elderly person, dapat may des, no? Mokoyobi des. Ayan. Or pwedeng sabihin mas super complete is kyo wa mokoyobi des. Ayan. So magtanungan tayo about but before that, may I ask volunteers muna to read from nan-yobi down to nichiyobi. So nan-yobi kara means from. Made, okay, means to. So nan-yobi kara nichiyobi made yonde kudasai. So please read, no? So who wants to read? Sinong gustong magbasa? Ayan, may nag-raise ng kamay. Sige, Jelmar. Sige, Jelmar, go ahead.
Sa romaji, sir.
Yeah, nan-yobi kara. Nan-yobi kara nichiyobi made. Hajimimashou. Please start. Nan-yobi. Sige, go ahead. Go ahead, Jelmar. Nawala yata si Jelmar. Pero may 3 pa nagtaas ng kamay. Sige, Dekia. Sige, Dekia, go ahead, please. Sige, nan-yobi.
Getsuyobi.
Okay, go ahead. Please continue.
Kayobi.
Okay.
Soyobi.
Suiyobi.
Soyobi. Mokoyobi.
Okay.
Yobi.
Okay.
Yobi.
And
Yobi.
okay, Nichiyobi. Okay. Pag sinabi kong kino, kino means kahapon. Kyo means today. Ashita means tomorrow. Ashita, no? Ashita means tomorrow. Asate means 2 days from now, no? Or 2 days from now, okay? So tandaan natin, kyo is today, ashita is tomorrow, kino is yesterday, and asate means 2 days from now. So pag nagtanong ako na, kino wa nanyobi desu ka? Ano yung sagot? Kino wa nanyobi desu ka? Okay, type ko dito. Pag sinabing, okay, very good. Suyobi desu. Kino means yesterday. Kyo means today. Ashita means tomorrow. And asate means 2 days after or from now. Okay. So, ayan, no? So these are important adjectives that we need to learn because it will help us answer the question. So, kyo, ashita wa nanyobi desu ka?
Kinyobi.
Kinyobi desu. Ayan. Kinyobi desu. Ayan. Kino wa nanyobi desu ka?
Konyokobi desu.
Suiyobi desu. Suiyobi desu. No, kino. Kyo wa nanyobi desu ka?
Gahapon.
Kyo wa nanyobi desu ka?
Kinyobi.
Kyo wa nanyobi desu ka? Mokuyobi desu. Ayan. Asate wa nanyobi desu ka?
Doyobi.
Doyobi desu. Ayan. Doyobi. No? Asate means 2 days. No? 2 days from now. Ayan. Okay. So may karugtong pa yan. Ototoy naman yung yung 2 days ago, no? Ototoy wa. So ototoy means 2 days ago. Ayan. So that is these are important words, no, that we need to learn about time. Okay? And then months of the year. This will be the last for this slide. So we have the months of the year. So we have the question na anong buwan ng gatsu? Anong buwan, no? So pag January, so nagbibilang lang tayo plus gatsu, no? Nagiging ano na yan, buwan. So ichigatsu, nigatsu, sangatsu, shigatsu. Yung shigatsu po, hindi po pwede yung gogatsu, yung yung gogatsu. Although although yung yong and shi ay magkapareho lang, but in wait a moment. Ang ingay, kaninong tong ingay? Okay, Joey pala. Sige. Yung yung sa months, no, hindi po natin sinasabing yonggatsu, no. Pinakatama po ay shigatsu. Nang ginagamit natin, shigatsu, no? And then shichigatsu. Ayan, no? Kugatsu. Okay? So ulitin natin, nangatsu, ichigatsu, nigatsu, sangatsu, shigatsu means April, no? Gogatsu, rokugatsu, shichigatsu, hachigatsu, kugatsu, jugatsu, juichigatsu, and junigatsu. Okay? So, ayan, no? So, nangatsu means what month. Okay? So, please remember this. Simple lang siya actually. Gatsu, number cardinal plus gatsu. So, halimbawa, kongetsu wa nangatsu desu ka? So, anong buwan tayo ngayon? Kongetsu wa nangatsu desu ka?
Shigatsu.
Sangatsu desu.
Sangatsu pala. Sangatsu desu. Ayan, sangatsu. Demo, ashita kara shigatsu desu. But starting tomorrow, it will be April, no? So, ashita kara shigatsu desu. Ayan. Kongetsu means this month. Kong getsu wa sangatsu desu. Demo ashita kara shigatsu desu. So, ashita kara means from tomorrow. Ashita kara shigatsu desu. Yeah, very interesting. So please remember that, no? So these are important, ano. So I hope that next time we can memorize this. Siguro next activity natin will be saying numbers, days of the week, and months of the year. No, ito yung isang activity natin, no, na gagawin na naman for the second output, no, for this before the midterm exam, because I'll be giving the midterm exam on the third week of April, no? Our meeting on the third week of April. Yeah. Okay, so ano nangyari nito? My screen is now pitch black. I don't know what happened. Naghang yata yung aking ano. Can you still see me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just don't know bakit nagkaganito, no? Something is wrong with us all. Kasi nag-ano ako, stop muna